Okay, we cover this bars a little bit, side by left and top, this bar toolbars with the icons, and most of them representing all of these properties that you can access by right-clicking menu inside your nodes or other areas, or you can go from top-down menu. However, this is fast access, so many times instead click render and go click render again, or press F9. You can just click on the button and start rendering in this time, so it's much easier to work with icons. Notice right here, some of the icons you notice have a dot, like white dot, and this symbolizes if you right click, you access to the options of this. For example, right here I can go access options of the render, and if I left click, it actually will start to render for me. So you can see this is a little bit dual actions when you work with that. So we can access, for example, in render. Okay, some of them, a new, open, save, and save as. Remember right here, dot is tell us. We can also export the plant, and we'll just look over this toolbar. And notice right there we have a kind of separation between them. This separation also represents the file, edit, view, display. So it's represent kind of those sections that is functional kind of different. So like right here we have our new plant variation. We can flag or edit flagged plants. We can also set global parameters for the plant parameters. And right here we have general plant parameters, wing, set, preset, same things actually what we can, if we click on a root, we can access them in our parameters, but just sometimes a little bit faster go this way. We have our edit, copy, cut, paste. Also we have our preview, zoom options. So we can go and specifically preview. We also have a group, ungroup our options. So if we select several different nodes, we can group them together. We have our display or save our renders we done before. Render specific areas. So for example, if plant is too complex and I want just render see how leaves, I can select this way, our render. We can subdivide or subdivide less or more, increase resolution with the polygons on specific areas. And because sometimes it's work if you want very smooth, but in some cases you want reduce to have it a best result, best look for the less polygons, so you will have it better performance. Also enable wind, it's what we did before when we want preview. And if we needed additional information, we can disable additional information. And of course zoom on, select a specific plant part if we want to work close up, or zoom out on our plant. On our left side, we have our simple select tool, so we can go and select any specific node. We also have our dot up, so we can reposition, and you can see right here we have a very interesting gizmo that we can rotate, position on a specific segment that we selected. We have our drawing tool, so we can automatically draw effect. We can prune, cut, and below we have all of these components that we can use it: trunk, leaves, branches, palm, all different type of effect. We can add grow if we need it to the plant, as well add leaf, draw leaf, and billboard leaf. The difference between those two we'll look in later, but one is always faced to you and it's actually flat, and other ones it actually create from polygons. With the from polygons will look more interesting and complex, and can have it in three-dimensional kind of, but it is take quite a bit polygons. And just imagine if one leaf have it, for example, 100 polygons, and now you have thousands of those leaves, each of them will create all those polygons. And of course the billboard, it's just simple sided, they always face it, but they're not as interesting looking or good looking as the polygons. And we also have a draw or add components directly into the plant or on our mode. So this is kind of very fast overview, and we'll switch to advanced mode, and we'll go look in next one on somehow we can customize our view, our display.